Upscale your planogramming experience with our new Nexgen POG. Come on, let's create a planogram using Nexgen POG. Few key features in our platform are: huge cost benefit. It's a cloud-based software. Unlimited licensing plan. Bulk upload of images. Secure online sharing with a single click. Multi-device and browser compatibility. Customizable templates. Automated planogram rules. Compatibility with other planogram files. Custom analytic reports. Click and post compliance. Product group. You can now create your free POG account by filling the details in our website and start creating your planograms. Log into Nexgen POG with your username and password. Once you are logged in, it will open to a home screen having menus with the following features: Home, My Planograms, Merchandising Standards. You can access different features from settings like Product Library, Product Group, Label Templates, Autofill Rules, Import Planogram, Product Data Upload, the Sales Data Upload option to upload sales data in bulk, Image Bulk Upload, Planogram Compliance. Product Library contains all the products that are added so far. Add new products and upload images here. Products can be added individually by entering various information that is unique to the product. The mandatory fields include UPC, product name, manufacturer, brand and dimensions along with the image. Users can add product descriptions, AMP, values, and financial inventory details. Product Data Upload allows you to create your product library. It includes adding multiple product details into the planogram. Clicking on the product file template will download an Excel sheet with options to enter product specifications. Once these fields are filled, the file can be uploaded directly to the library by clicking on the Select File button. The fields highlighted in red are mandatory to fill. Products can be added individually by entering various information that is unique to the product. Product Group helps users to create subgroups of products from the product library. Clicking on New Product Group option enables the user to create a product group and add required products to it from the product library. The existing product groups can be edited, deleted, or new products can be added. Autofill Rule. Autofill Rule allows the user to create preset rules for automated filling. Click on the new Autofill Rule button to create a new rule. Give a suitable name and description for the rule. Click on the Add Conditions tab corresponding to the rule to add filters on which the user need to create the rule. The number and order of the facing. User can edit and delete a rule anytime. New Planogram. By clicking on the New Planogram button, you can start creating your planogram right from the home screen itself. You will now be prompted to follow a few self-explanatory steps. Clicking on the New Planogram button opens a new window with the options to select the planogram type. Select planogram type you want to create from the drop-down menu. Click on the Next button to continue. After selecting the required planogram type, you will be prompted to set up the planogram configuration. You can either start creating planograms from the existing templates or define your own custom dimensions. Choose the required planogram configuration, and give a suitable name for the planogram. Select the appropriate folder and click on the Create button to start creating the planogram. You will be taken to the Planogram Designer screen. Planogram Designer is where you can design and edit your planograms. The top toolbar and side toolbar of the Designer screen has the various functionalities. Start designing your planogram by selecting the products for your product bin. You can either select products by clicking on the Add to Bin, or you can import an already created product bin by clicking on the Import Bin. Clicking Add to Bin will open up a window where a category/product can be searched. For a more precise result, you can click on Show Advanced Search to open additional search fields. The search result displays all products of that category, and by selecting Add Selected Products to Bin, they can be added to the bin. Once the products are imported to the bin, products can be added on the shelf. The top right corner Options in Product Bin section helps to view the products in different modes such as brand, manufacturer, category, subcategory, segment and size, and description field up to user requirements. Once the product bin is ready, you can start designing your planogram by simply dragging and dropping products to their corresponding shelves. Right-click on the product to open a contextual menu with various functions, or you can use the Tools menu to get easy access to do the actions. Use Add Facings, More Facing, to add more horizontal and vertical facings. Align products to left, right or bottom side of the shelf using Align Left Amp, Align Right Amp, Align Bottom functions. Spread your product evenly with Spread Even function. More option includes Evenly Spread All Shelves, Squeeze Factor, Autocorrect and Mirror Products. Apply product color to apply the given product color. Use Position Details, Product Detail to get the position details of product on shelves and product info, Description Amp, Values, and Financial Amp, Inventory Details. Rotate products up to 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 360 degrees. Use Info window to view shelf details like UPC, product name, brand, manufacturer, package type, size / package type, category, subcategory and more. Use Planogram properties to view planogram details, sections, shelf / fixtures, accounts and location details. There are options at the bottom of the Planogram Designer to get different views of the shelf by selecting the options like the image, label, dimensions, snap and warnings. You can group the products based on brand, manufacturer, category, subcategory, segment, size / amp, move it to selected shelves. After creating your planogram, make sure you save your planogram. Share option allows user to share the planogram. And set rules like either view only option or edit option. And select the number of users to which the user can share the planogram. Click on the Add Selected option, to get shared with the other. Fill the planogram by uploading planogram. Fill template with details like the shelf number, section number, UPC, number of facings etc. Users can also download the template and give the details like in a particular section, or shelf like UPC code, dimensions, height, width, horizontal or vertical facing, and more. Save the details in the system and users can upload it in the planogram. After that, click on Select File option to upload the Excel. Click the Process button for the planogram to get filled with the products that the user have in the Excel file. The PDF option allows you to export the planogram in PDF format. Click on the Image option to download the planogram as image. The XML tab allows you to export the planogram to XML format. You can generate different types of reports like Product Summary, Product List by Shelf, Product List by Manufacturer, Product List by Brand. In Space Analysis Report, it allows user to calculate total shelf space available along with space shared for each product. It includes details like length and breadth of a shelf, number of product facings as well as the percentage of space taken up by each product on a shelf, section and planogram in total. Capacity Analysis Report provides the user with the height, width and depth of the shelf, total volume occupied by each product along with free space. This helps to measure the space utilized by each brand with respect to total capacity and percentage share of space and compares it with total space used by all products. Sales Analysis Report gives an overview of all products in a planogram along with their facings. Sales Value, Sales Volume as well as Sales Profit. It gives an overview of the space to sales ratio which helps to understand the revenue generated by each unit of space. This helps to get an idea of the product which are least sold. For getting the report, user need to upload the sales data. From the Settings menu, the user can select the option like Sales Data Upload and download the sales data file template. After giving the details of starting and ending period, UPC code of the product, current movement of the product, previous moment and save the template to upload the file. After uploading the sales data template, user can download the sales analysis report. This helps the user in understanding the movement of products on specific shelves so that they can decide which products should be placed on which shelf. With Visual Analysis feature, planograms can be reviewed in different color schemes based on various modes like brand, manufacturer, size/, package, description, price, cost, share, unit movement and days supply. Custom labels can be easily created by choosing Labels option. Clicking on the Label Template option will open a window, which shows all the label signage created. Users can create a new label by clicking on plus button, and by right-clicking on Label, user can select the properties to add label details like label name, label text, description, height, size and more. Users can also select Send to Back and Bring to Front by right-clicking the same. Compliance feature will help the executive staff to raise tickets regarding any deviation from the actual execution. To add a new compliance ticket, click on the New Ticket option in the top right corner. Then select the ticket type like General Compliance, Overfaced, Underfaced, Overstocked, Understocked, Product/Shelf Location, Floor Location. Enter the detail like ticket title, description, open status, and ticket status like whether it is open, hold, or closed. Select the product from the section option and click Save, and select Pictures to include pictures corresponding to the raised ticket from the folder. Users can also raise tickets from the Settings menu. After creating the rule and product group, use the Autofill option and select the rule and product group to apply the rule on your planogram. You can also generate rules using previous sales data based on your days of supply. Nexgen POG allows the user to import the planogram files created on other systems. User need to select the source file format and target folder to which the user need to save the planogram. The select file allows the user to import the file from your desktop, laptop, tab, mobile. My Planogram section contains a list of created planograms. Users can move, copy, merge, delete, swap, web share, export to PDF or export to Excel and export to XML the created planograms by clicking on the corresponding tab on the top toolbar. The web share option allows users to share the selected planograms by using a web link, even if the other user does not have a Nexgen POG license. The user can set the title amp, validity period of the planogram. The Need Help button helps the user to raise tickets on any issue regarding the Nexgen POG software, and assistance will be provided at the earliest by our support team. From the Subscribe Now option you can choose your plan. Nexgen POG, perfect planogram visualization for retail business. Why wait? Start designing your planograms with Nexgen POG. For more details, you can always contact us at sales@nexgenus.com.